that's where Smith's is, isn't it?
Mhm.
Portwood. So it's probably aiming for one of, well, probably aiming for that, isn't it? And that's right.
American Air Raid lasting 6 hours, 363 people killed, 1,000 injured.